When you give me a lap dance, baby, that's for the cat, please. Run it back, run it back, run it back, run it back like a track meet. Baby, relax me. You ain't gotta ask me.
Hoping. I remember I was so lonely and hopeless, but now we taking T5 flights across the ocean. And now I be the youngin' with the sauce, got the portion. And we ain't coming for the drama, fuck your commotion. And we ain't tryna hear your music, fuck your promotion. So nah, nigga, don't play that shit. I walked in just to flick my wrist, I walked in just to take your bitch. I'm Gucci down in a brand new fit, and the whole team here and my whole squad lit. And we swing our shoulders and we bop like this. We ain't got no time for them nonsense. I'll just make one call and they gon' buy more shit. I got them problems, throwing them dollars. All of my niggas be on that goblin shit, yeah. For some reason I can't let go. They want my mind and want my soul. I can't let them have control. Some reason I can't let go. I put it all on the line for this dream of mine. And these hoes want my mind and soul, but can't get my mind. Labels want my name for fame on that dotted line. I've been under pressure, I ain't got the time, yeah. I just keep whipping, I'm whipping the work. Going berserk, I can't let go. Just keep whipping, I'm whipping the work. Going berserk, I can't let go. Man, I had to change my mindset and get that confidence. Had to stay away from lame niggas that ain't had no common sense. Had to stay away from lame bitches trying to slow me down. Had to stay away from lame hoes trying to hold me down. No, I ain't got time for that. Oh yeah, just bag it up. I'ma get the bench now. Watch them bitches stacking up. I'ma throw your bags. I'ma throw Gucci now. I'ma stun and do the things that they ain't ever want me to. So let them niggas hate on me. Let them debate on me. Let them bitches wait on me. If you got a bag, then bet on me. Thought I had some real friends. Let them niggas skate on me. I remember they won't wait when I would have my tank on me. Yeah.
Stay focused. Gotta stay faithful. Gotta stay focused. Gotta stay
put it all on the line for this dream of mine. And these hoes want my mind and soul, but can't get my mind. Labels want my name for fame on that dotted line. I've been under pressure, I ain't got the time, yeah. I just keep whipping, I'm whipping the work. Going berserk, I can't let go. Just keep whipping, I'm whipping the work. Going berserk, I can't let go. Hoping. I remember I was so lonely and hopeless, but now we taking T5 flights across the ocean. And now I be the youngin' with the sauce, got the portion. And we ain't coming for the drama, fuck your commotion. And we ain't tryna hear your music, fuck your promotion. So nah, nigga, don't play that shit. I walked in just to flick my wrist, I walked in just to take your bitch. I'm Gucci down in a brand new fit, and the whole team here and my whole squad lit. And we swing our shoulders and we bop like this. We ain't got no time for them nonsense. I'll just make one call and they gon' buy more shit. I got them problems, throwing them dollars. All of my niggas be on that goblin shit, yeah. For some reason I can't let go. They want my mind and want my soul. I can't let them have control. Some reason I can't let go. I put it all on the line for this dream of mine. And these hoes want my mind and soul, soul, but can't give them mine. Labels want my name for fame on that dotted line. I've been under pressure, I ain't got the time. Yeah, I just keep whipping, I'm whipping the work. Going berserk, I can't let go. Just keep whipping, I'm whipping the work. Going berserk, I can't let go. Man, I had to change my mindset and get that confidence. Had to stay away from lame niggas that ain't had no common sense. Had to stay away from lame bitches trying to slow me down. Had to stay away from lame hoes trying to hold me down. No, I ain't got time for that. Oh yeah, just bag it up. I'ma get the bench now. Watch them bitches stacking up. I'ma throw your bags. I'ma throw Gucci now. I'ma stun and do the things that they ain't ever want me to. So let them niggas hate on me. Let them debate on me. Let them bitches wait on me. If you got a bag, then bet on me. Thought I had some real friends. Let them niggas skate on me. I remember they won't wait when I would have my tank on me. Yeah.
Stay focused, gotta stay faithful, and gotta stay focused, gotta stay faithful, gotta stay focused.
I put it all on the line for this dream of mine. And these hoes want my mind and soul, but can't give them mine. Labels want my name for fame on that dotted line. I've been under pressure, I ain't got the time. Yeah, I just keep whipping, I'm whipping the work. Going berserk, I can't let go. Just keep whipping, I'm whipping the work. Going berserk, I can't let go. I put it all on the line for this dream of mine. And these hoes want my mind and soul, but can't give them mine. Labels want my name for fame on that dotted line. I've been under pressure, I ain't got the time. Yeah, I just keep whipping, I'm whipping the work. Going berserk, I can't let go. Just keep whipping, I'm whipping the work. Going berserk, I can't let go. I gotta stay faithful, I gotta stay focused. I spend my nights restless and all my days hoping. I remember I was so lonely and hopeless, but now we taking T5 flights across the ocean. And now I be the youngin' with the sauce, got the portion. And we ain't coming for the drama, fuck your commotion. And we ain't tryna hear your music, fuck your promotion. So nah, nigga, don't play that shit. I walked in just to flick my wrist. I walked in just to take your bitch. I'm Gucci down in a brand new fit, and the whole team here and my whole squad lit. And we swing our shoulders and we bob like this. Man, you ain't got no time for them nonsense. I just make one call and they gon' buy more shit. I got them problems, throwing them dollars. All of my niggas be on that goblin shit, yeah. For some reason I can't let go. They want my mind and want my soul. I can't let them have control. Some reason I can't let go. I put it all on the line for this dream of mine. And these hoes want my mind and soul, but can't give them mine. Labels want my name for fame on that dotted line. I've been under pressure, I ain't got the time. Yeah, I just keep whipping, I'm whipping the work. Going berserk, I can't let go. Just keep whipping, I'm whipping the work. Going berserk, I can't let go. Man, I had to change my mindset and get that confidence. Had to stay away from lame niggas that ain't had no common sense. Had to stay away from lame bitches trying to slow me down. Had to stay away from lame hoes trying to hold me down. No, I ain't got time for that. Oh yeah, just bag it up. I'ma get the bench now. Watch them bitches stacking up. I'ma throw your bags. I'ma throw Gucci now. I'ma stun and do the things that they ain't ever want me to. So let them niggas hate on me. Let them debate on me. Let them bitches wait on me. If you got a bag, then bet on me. Thought I had some real friends. Let them niggas skate on me. I remember they won't wait when I would have my tank on me. Yeah.
Stay focused, gotta stay faithful, and gotta stay focused, gotta stay faithful.